Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. Today we're going to be using the Karcher Undercarriage Cleaner. Now it's been a little while since I did the rare item video and to be honest I've only really had this out a couple of times. Once on the truck and once on a normal hire car. So yeah, today we're going to go and give this a go. Now I've already been through the features of this on my rare item video, but as you can see it does have variable height. So instead of using something like the normal pressure washer, the patio cleaner upside down that I've seen people using, this is a much better system, especially if you've got something high and using it on something like a 4x4. This will get closer to the chassis, closer to all the components and not lose any of that pressure. If you're putting pressure through it, well, it's down here. When it gets up here, it's not going to be doing a very good job. So yeah, it's a rare item now, as I say. I have done a video on this before, and they're quite expensive on eBay. So you know, it's up to you whether you want to get one or not. We also have this attachment that comes with it. Now this is basically a lance for dispensing product directly through the end of this. So this is where it comes out. So it's got a little wheel that in and out underneath the truck, and we will be dispensing Bilt Hamber's Atom Mac after this has done its work cleaning the underside of that chassis. Quick video this week just to show you this in action. Let's get on to it. Okay, so now that's all jetted off, what we're going to do is just take off this end and replace it with this lance that contains the Bilt Hamber Atom Mac. We're going to just then spray that underneath the car and hopefully that'll give us some protection. So there you go guys, very quick video this week just using the Karcher under chassis pressure cleaner attachment, using the Karcher under chassis cleaner chemical dispenser unit and using Bilt Hamber's Atom Mac to protect everything on the underside of this car. Now, just before I go, one thing to mention with this is the PIR or FDR ratios that you need to hit. Now, on the back of this, it does say to use between 1 and 2% in water on motorcycles and bicycles, and between 3 and 5% on cars with brake discs. So, I was aiming for 3% with this, and it's not just a simple case of putting 3% of this in this with water. It's all about how much water comes through it and comes out of this nozzle at the end of this attachment. So you have to work out a panel impact ratio or a final dilution ratio. I have done another video on that, which is a little bit more in depth. I don't want to go into that now. So go and check that one out. I'll put a link up here for you now. So as always guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.